Yes. We now go to rule number 3. This is video number 3. Video number 3. So we'll go to video number 3. And in this video number 3, we are going to start with rule number 3 of the partial fractions. That is the rule for solving problems related with partial fractions. Now I read. To every linear factor ax plus b of the denominator g of x, there corresponds a partial fraction. See, there's no s here. I've cancelled the s. There corresponds a partial fraction of the form a over x plus b. That is, if you have only one linear factor in the denominator. But if the linear factors in the denominator are 2, such as ax plus b and cx plus d, such as ax plus b and cx plus d, there will be 2 corresponding partial fractions of the form a over ax plus b over cx plus d. That is, if we have 2 linear factors in the denominator of the given algebraic function. If the linear factors in the denominator are 3, such as ax plus b, cx plus d, and ex plus f, there will be corresponding partial fractions of the form a over ax plus b over cx plus d plus c over ex plus f, and so on like that. Now, it means if you have 4 linear factors in the denominator, you also have up to, that is d over, and so on like that. So, example number 3. Resolve 2x plus 3 over x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x into partial fractions. Solutions. The first thing you do is to compare the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator. Now, the degree of the numerator is lower than the degree of the denominator in this question. So that means we are okay. We don't have any reason to carry out long division. So we'll go straight. Then the second thing you have to look at is the nature of the denominator. The denominator is a polynomial of degree 3. Then you ask yourself, is this polynomial factorizable? If yes, you must factorize it first. So solutions, you have 2x plus 3 over x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x is equals to 2x plus 3 over x cubed. Now I'm going to factorize because x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x is factorizable, so I have to factorize it first. X into x squared plus 3x plus 2, which is the same thing as 2x plus 3 over x into x squared plus x plus 2x plus 2. This is the same thing as 2x plus 3 over x into x plus 1, bracket close, plus 2 into x plus 1. Then my big bracket close. This is the same thing as 2x plus 3 over x into x plus 1 into x plus x plus 2. Big bracket close. So this will give me 2x plus 3 over 2x plus 3 over x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. So now I have my denominator in factored form. I'm now ready to resolve into partial fraction. Please turn over. Page 6. So I now say let 2x plus 3 over x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 be equivalent to, now I apply my rule number 3, starting with denominator x. Denominator x will now be, the partial fraction will be of the form a over x plus, then the second factor in the denominator, which is x plus 1, that will be b over x plus 1 plus the third factor in the denominator, that will be c over x plus 2. I'm applying that to rule number 3. So the next thing here, just as we did in the previous examples, is to clear the fraction. Clearing the fraction, here the LCM is the denominator of the left hand side, always. So multiply each and every term by the denominator of the left hand side, which is x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. If I do that, I'll be left with 2x plus 3 at the left hand side is equivalent to a into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus bx into x plus 2 plus cx into x plus 1. I call this one equation 1. Now, I have to determine the values of the factors a, b, and c in equation 1. And how do I do that? By choosing values of x that will eliminate this constant and then leaving only 1 to be solved. So I start with x, put x equals 0. X equals 0 in equation 1. If I do that, the left hand side will be 2 into 0 plus 3 is equivalent to a into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 is equal, that is plus b into 0 into 0 plus 2 plus c into 0 into 0 plus 1. Now, 0 times this 0 here times everything here will be 0. This will also be 0. So, I'm left with the left hand side. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 3 is equals to a into 0 plus 1 is 1 into 0 plus 2 is 2. Then plus 0 plus 0. So I have 3 is equals to 2a, or a is equals to 3 over 2. So the value of a is known. Now, I have to choose another value of x that will eliminate 2 constants so that I solve the third constant. Here, let x be minus 1. Put x equals minus 1 in equation 1. Then the left hand side of that equation 1 becomes 2 into minus 1 plus 3 is equivalent to a into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 plus c into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. And 0 times everything here will be 0. Now, minus 1 plus 1 here again will be 0. So 0 times everything here, everything there will be 0. So by so doing, constants A and C are eliminated. I am now left at the left hand side, minus 2 plus 3 is equivalent to B into minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1, or 1 is equals to minus B. Therefore, B equals minus 1. So the value of B is also known. Now, I have known the values of A and B. So it remains constant C. How do I get constant C? Let's put x equals minus 2 in that same equation 1. Then if x is equal to minus 2, the left hand side will be 2 into minus 2 plus 3 is equals to A into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 plus B into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 plus C into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1. Again, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so 0 times everything here will be 0. Minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. 0 times everything here will be 0. So, I'm left with the term involving C. The left hand side here is minus 4 plus 3 is equals to C into minus 2 into minus 1, or 2C, or that is minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 is equals to 2C. Therefore, C is equals to minus half. So, my values A is equals to 3 over 2, B equals minus 1, and C equals minus half. So, I'm now in a position to write out my final answer. Therefore, the partial fraction, which is 2x plus 3 over x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x is equivalent to A, which is 3 over 2 everything over x, plus B is minus 1 over x plus 1 plus C, which is minus half over x plus 2. So, therefore, I can simplify 2x plus 3 over x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x is equivalent to, these two come down. That will now be 3 over 2x minus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over, these two come down, 2 into x plus 2. This is my final answer.